Hi, it's Mark from Custom Cruises. Here we are. We got Gabin's Evo. Okay, needs a bit of work. I think it's the best word to describe it. But you know, he's a good old boy, good bike. You know, he loves it. Can't blame him. He's had it 15 years. Don't think he's done a lot to it, as you can see. But ready to change the drive belt. Okay, so here's your drive belt. Obviously, swinging arm's got to come out. You know, all your primer's off now. I've taken all the ring and bolts out. Okay, as you can see, quite a bit of metal in here. Okay, a lot of rust on here as well, but not too bad considering this thing's got to be early 90s, I'd have said, judging by it's had later brakes adapted and put on, but oil cooler up there for some reason. Don't know why they didn't have that lower down, but we're going to drop that down here. You know, do some proper stuff on this bike, give it a bit of a clean up. Not too much, you don't want it too clean, but you know, all important things, lube everything up, get it all ready to go. Okay, as you can see, jack shaft, not bad, you know, not a bad bike at all, really. Obviously someone's used a load of sealant to reuse all the gaskets. They haven't changed them last time they did it. It was a bit of leakage coming out, bit of leakage on the primary as well. On the inner primary, which most likely means your gearbox seals are gone. Okay, so basically what we're going to do on my bike, the seal's behind this pulley in here. Okay, on mine you see you've got a shorter belt, so a thinner belt, so that means I can fit a 180 on there on the bagger. You can go 200 actually with a 125mm belt. But as you can see, this thing's ready to go. So we're going to change all the primary, change all the output shaft seals on the tranny, you know, you're in a quad seal, all that lot. Keep tuned. Cut Mike from CustomCruises.com, 01773835666. Thank you.